wonder at the show, but wonder on till truth makes all things plain. This man is Píram, if you would know. This beauteous lady, this man presenteth woe, that vile woe which did those lovers sunder. And through wool's chink, poor souls, they were content to whisper. This man with lantern, dog, and bush of thorn presenteth moonshine. This grisly beastia, lion is by name. For all the rest, let lion, moonshine, wool, and lovers twain at large discourse, while here they do remain.
In the same interlude just before, that I once now by name present a wall, and such a wall is, as I would have you think, that had in it a craned hole or cheek, through which the lovers, Píram and Tisbe, did whisper often very secretly.
Go back to Liverpool!
Oh, I fear my Tisbe's promise is forgot. And thou, oh wall, oh sweet and lovely wall, that stands between our father's ground and mine. Oh thou, oh wall, oh sweet and lovely wall. Show me thy chink to blink through with my eye. But what see I? No Tisbe do I see. Oh wicked wall, cursed be he should not, because this is Tisbe's cue, and she comes in, and we look through the wall.
Oh, woe, full often hast thou heard my moan. Poor party, my fair Píram and me. My cherry lips have often kissed thy stones.
I see a voice. Now will I through the chink. Smile like my Tisbe's face. Up to the chink, then. Come along, kid. There is a bee. There is a bee.
My love, my love. Thou art my love, I
Rabbit!
Look now at Ninny's tomb, beat me straight away.
Ninny's tomb, is that still old bride? Oh, jolly good.
Lot of old
Thus
rabbits.
have I, wall, my part discharged so, and being done, away wall doth go.
Come on, puss! Come on, puss!
You ladies, you who fear the smallest monstrous mouse that walks the floor, may now perchance both quake and tremble here, when lion rough in wildest rage doth roar. Arr.
Feed that lion!
And know that I, one Ringo the drummer, am. But if I was really a lion, I wouldn't be making all the money I am today, would I?
This lantern doth the honoured moon present.
That, come here, come here.
This lantern doth the honoured moon present. I, the man in the moon that seem to be.
Who?
Look you, all I have to say is to tell you that this lantern is the moon, you see. You got it? I'm the man in the moon. This thorn bush here is my thorn bush, and this doggy woggy here is my dog. And if you don't wrap up, we'll give you a kick in the eye.
So this is old Ninny's tomb. Thank you. But where is my love?
Sweet moon, I thank thee for thy sunny beams. Remember, before we... Hello, hello, hello. What's this? Hey, look, eyes do you see? How can it be? What dreadful dole is here? my mantle good, all covered in blood. Oh, dainty duck, oh dear.
Roll over Shakespeare.
Come tears, confound, out sword, and wound that pap of Pyramus, that left pap, where heart doth hop, thus die I, thus, thus. It's all right. Now am I dead. Now am I fled. Oh well, you can't win them all. Tongue, lose thy light. Moon, take thy flight. See you, George. Now die.
Dizzy, I die.
Asleep, my love.
Die.
What, dead, my dove?
Píram, arise. Oh, speak.
Quite dumb. Dead, a tomb must cover thy sweet eyes, those lily lips. It's Jerry nose. These yellow cowslip cheeks are gone. Lovers make moan, his eyes were green as leaf. Tongue, not a word.
Not a word. Don't call us.
Shut up! Not a word. Come, trusty sword. Come, blade, my breast improve. And so farewell, friends, thus Tisbe ends. I do like to be. I do like to be.